Hello, besties. Welcome to Lizzie's platform. Today, I will be testing some fruits here for the first time. Yeah, and I'll also be reviewing some fruits. I have about six different kinds of fruits here. This is called Asian pear. I have never tested it before. This is called Salaka, Zalkala, something or Zala. Please correct me, aka snake fruit. I have never tested it before. This one, plum, I think I've tested it once. Mango steel, I have tasted this one. And tolong, I think tolong, something. This fruit, I have tasted it. It's too sugary, I had to drop. But today I'll be reviewing it on camera. So watch me as I test. Let me start from the one this one, another one, this one, dragon fruits. I take it. In fact, I take this one, but not all the time anyway. So, but I'm still going to review them to see. So watch me. It's so that this fruit will get into my head very well. That is why I had to pack my hair. So let's go. Ah, mm, mm. This is too sour. Too sour. The first time I tested it, it has a nice taste, but this one is a no-no for me. Today is too sour. So let me go with mango still now. Mm. This is how it looks like. You know udara. Udara in Nigeria. I would say this is the second udara, but it's just that udara we eat the flesh. So this one has reddish kind of flesh, but you don't eat it. The only thing that is consumable here is just the white substance in it. Hmm. Nice. See how this look like? I don't know if you can see. The smaller ones doesn't have seeds, so it can be swallowed. But these big ones, mm, oh my god, this one is thick. I don't know, maybe it's fault, but let me test. Okay, it's thick, so I can. So the next one for me to test now. Okay, let me test the salaka, salak or salaka. So it is salaka, aka snake skin fruit. Mm. This one that's coloring like this. God have mercy on me. Oh, you know, it's the one that I will turn to a snake. No, this one is bad. I guess. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Excuse me. It's bad. See, it's bad. Bad, 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 bad. So this is another one. So let's try. That one was bad. So let's try this one. Okay, this one is better. Snake skin fruit. This is actually not my first time seeing this fruit, but this is my first time testing it. I just hope it turns out well. Maka. So this one is tree. So, okay. I don't know if I should use my teeth. It's like spray for me. Oh. Don't want turn to snake. Oh. Okay. I'm able to cut open. This is the seed. This is the flesh. I go eat them with all my food chest. Not see that one. Mm. There's one Nigerian plum we used to eat. This one tastes exactly like that Nigerian plum. Ah, this is the seed. The seed looks beautiful. The salaka, aka snake skin fruit. Mm. Mm. So nice. This is the second one. Okay. Mhm. I still have more of this in the fridge. Ah, I'll definitely want to eat it again. It's nice. I don't know why the first fruit is sour. This one is another plum. Let me try. Let me just take. Mm, mm-mm. Excessively soured. Okay. Moment of truth for Asian. This one is Asian pear. Asian pear is usually like apple. Mm, okay. This is more. It has more water in it. It has like water taste. You tasted pear. Pear taste. Mm. It has a thick skin, so I would like to peel before. Mm, mm. So let me try the tolong. This is the longer. Is it longer or tolong? Something like that. Mm. This is usually a sweet fruit. Have you seen the lychee before? Lychee is one of the sweetest fruit I've ever tasted. This is also a very, very sweet fruit, like lychee. They have the same texture, the same body. You can see this is how lychee is. The only difference is that lychee is usually red, but this one is like this, brown. This is it, but it's sweet. That's it. Then let me try dragon fruit. This is called dragon fruit. This one is the red dragon fruit. Yeah, yeah. Once you take this fruit, it will keep you hydrated all through the day. Mm. I used to take it when I was pregnant then. Like it will really, really keep you hydrated. Very, very hydrated. You know, shea seed. The seeds inside taste like shea seed to me. But I don't know about other people. This is pink. Mm, that's the one for the night. This one doesn't have seed and it's a little bit sour. But I don't mind. Voila. My own busy make cannot turn snake this night. But I'm not scared. Did you hear that? I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful day and bye.